Hi, hello. In this episode of ICP tutorial, we are going to have a look at various ways in which we can manage reporting time. In the previous video, I showed you how to report time, and I used the sales pipeline project. So basically, if it comes to managing reporting time, you report time on a task by a specific person, to be quite general. But as you can see, I can see a certain ratio here from reported time to versus planned time. So this was one way of managing and looking at reporting time in IC project. The other way is to basically go to sales pipeline and let's have a look at this task, for example. And here you can basically manage, like in the previous video, manage your working time. You can edit it. So it's the first option. The second is working time. I'm a project manager here, so it's pretty high if it comes to filtering the options. But you can also make corrections here. And me working as a project manager and probably an administrator in this account, because it's a demo account, will have high permission access, and I can filter different projects and different users. But if I have low permissions, so I'm an employee, basically I will have access to the tasks that I'm assigned to. So not many options, but I will have the ability, and I will be able to make corrections and report time via a specific week, and I can add it and make corrections right here. So a separate panel for your convenience, right? If it comes to reporting and managing time, I've already covered the section where I told you that you can automatically report time via report time for a particular user if if he has hourly rate assigned to him or her, and you're going to see it in a financial approach in the project. So let's have a look. Let us get redirected to a specific project and see the financial result of reported time, and it's going to be shown in the generated cost diagram. So it's a cost generated by my employees by reporting time, right? One other way in which you can look at reports and you can manage time is going to reports, for example, and here you can check the numbers regarding a specific project. So you select a project and select the temporal reference, for example, and you just click generate the report, and you're going to see in our table view how much you or somebody else generated the cost on a certain time interval with regard to a project. So and one way of managing time in IC project is in, again, the report section, but in timing reports of users. So you pick a user, for example, myself, Mac Wordsworth, and I know Peter also did a lot of work recently, Peter Smith, and you generate report. You also might want to use a select a project if you want to be more accurate, and you select a certain time interval. Just click today, and you generate the report with regard to people. Yeah, so Mac Wordsworth reported as of today, because today is 24th of January 2023, this amount of time, so 8 hours, and Peter did nothing today. Yeah, so he hasn't reported any time here. So this is how you manage time manage reporting time in IC project with regard to hours and with regard to costs. I hope you liked this video. I hope you like working on our system. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. So take care.